Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. If you are wondering what this channel brings, it brings you all the political news, all the breaking news happening around South Africa today.
This is a new organization. Everybody worked for the elections. And Agnamuntu who has worked more than any other person. We're all the same. We're members of the same stature. Otherwise, who President Zuma can say, I'm the one who formed the organization. If President Zuma is prepared to subject himself to this constitution, himself, the person who thought out this whole idea, he is prepared to subject himself to the constitution.
For total political, economic, social, spatial, cultural and knowledge freedom and emancipation. So Umkhonto weSizwe is an organization to fight for total decolonization, for total emancipation. You know, in the struggle against colonialism, there was a generation that used to say, seek ye first political freedom and the rest shall follow. We're just following political freedom. Only to realize that political freedom means nothing without economic freedom, without social freedom, without cultural freedom, without knowledge freedom. And by the way, to illustrate that Umkhonto weSizwe is extending the struggle even further, you can have economic freedom but still be a cultural minority.
Hello.
You can be rich and have access to everything and must give reports. The other principle is organic forms of public representation. So as the leader of Umkhonto weSizwe, as a public representative of Umkhonto weSizwe, you can't go to parliament or to a legislature and say, according to the Daily Sun, there's a problem of water in Ratanda in the municipality of Mfeku. You must be telling us the real story of what we have seen there, not what we have read in Facebook, not what we have read in Facebook. You must be speaking to the things that you organically know. Organic means that we are one with the people. We are not theorizing. You can't say, no, I saw on TV that the people of Kuko are suffering. You must be knowing from the ground and Kuko as to what are the conditions of the people. That is what defines Umkhonto weSizwe.
Auba kwa semkodo